Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Ludwigsburg, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Schloss favorite. Number 2, Marktplatz. Number 3, Residenzschloss Ludwigsburg. Number 4, Seeschloss Monrepos. Number 5, Blue Hendes Baroque. Number 6, Das Mode Museum. Number 7, Das Ceramic Museum. Number 8, Ludwigsburg Museum. Number 9, Market Garden. Number 10, Torhäuser. Number 11, Alter Friedhof. Number 12, Strafvollzug Museum. Number 13, Baroque Gallery. Number 14, Ludwigsburg Festival. And the last one, number 15, Baroque Weinhausmarkt.